Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. This house is a homeowner's dream, situated in the modern, aesthetically pleasing parish of Manchester. It has several functionalities and is move-in ready for the purchaser. This split-level house has kitchen built-ins, faux fireplace, double-car garage, with a full-length indoor swimming pool. Yes, I said it, an indoor swimming pool. Perfect for those chilly nights that Mandeville is known for. Equipped with a full bar for all your private events. The house sits on 0.24 acres. The property is a must-see. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.